to my channel, my lovely people. It's your lady Estina. It's today the first time of you coming across this channel. You're welcome. To my old subscribers and my old returnees, this is always here for you. I appreciate your support all the time. And if you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome. All you need just to do is feel at home. Click on that red subscription button, the bell on the side, so that you'll get notification anytime we upload a new video, and also to come support and let's keep moving the channel. Okay, in today's episode, guys, in today's class, we will be talking about body parts in Igbo, and this is what we are going to do. We'll be mentioning the body parts and go on to say the name in Igbo, and as well I'll be writing them somewhere. It will be coming out, the names as I say it in English and say it also in Igbo. The name in Igbo will always be there for easy understanding and for my new people. Okay guys, let's go straight to it. Ndiama, I get na isi. We're going to start from the head down. I will try my possible best to say all the body parts possible, and at the end of this class, if you have gotten a new body, to my Igbo people, if you have gotten, or you have forgotten, or you don't even know it at all, you have gotten one, let me know in the comment section. And to people who are learning this language, so I would really be happy for you to pay attention and always maybe pronounce with me, or you can go back, pause the video and go back and rewatch. Okay, let's go. I'm going to start from here, from the head down. Okay, we're going to start from ntutu, as in this is hair. Hair means ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Then head, as in head itself, is isi. Some people call it ishi, but ishi can be dialect, or we call it olundi. That's people's dialect, but the central Igbo is isi, head. Then the eyebrow is nku anya. Then the eyelashes is untutu. The eyelashes itself is untutu anya. Then the eye itself is anya. Eye is anya. Yes, okay. Then people, as in mkpụrụ anya. People is mkpụrụ anya. Okay. Then ear. Ear is ntị. So pronounce with me. Ntị. Okay. Imi simply means nose. Excuse me. I've got to say the English first before the Igbo. Sorry guys. Nose. Imi. Then mouth. Generally, mouth is ono. Then lips. Egbegbere ọnụ. Egbere ọnụ. Remember you said mouth generally is ọnụ. Then egbu. If you're finding it difficult to pronounce it, you can just go the way I'm cutting it. Egbere. Egbere ọnụ. Okay. Then the teeth. Teeth is eze. Be careful with this because we have another word that have the same spelling, but the intonation, which is the tomakin, is what differentiates it from the meaning. Eze, eze, eze. The tone marking is what makes it different from eze. Are you hearing? But the teeth is eze, and the other one, which is eze, is chief, as in chief in Igbo, and a title in Igbo land that is called, being a chief is called eze. But this one is eze. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's keep going. Then tongue. Tongue is ire, ire. Okay. Beer for men is aji agba, aji agba. Okay. Then let's keep going down. Onu, neck. Neck is onu, olu, olu, onu. that's just the dialects there, but the central one is olu. Olu is the neck. Then the jaw itself is agba, agba, agba is the jaw itself. Then remember I said beer is then aji agba. You see, aji agba. So that's it. Then chest. Chest is obi, obi, obi. We still have another obi, obi, obi as in a boy. When you are referring to a male child, is obi, the same spelling with obi. And we have another one as in obi, as a place where the chief lives, obi, oba, or something like that. So they still have the same spelling, but the pronunciation and the tone marking is what makes it different. And that. Okay, then we'll go on. Breast. Breast is ara, ara, breast. Then we still have a lot of some words that have the same spellings but different meanings in Igbo, which also in this case of ara, we have ara, 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 as in just the tone marking that makes this different, which means mad person, or person who is mad. Then ara as breast. Okay, then we'll have the shoulder, shoulder, which is obo aka, obo aka. Did I forget? Let's keep going. No? Obo aka. Then we have stomach. Stomach is afo, afo. Then navel, which is navel, otubo, otubo. The hole in the stomach is navel, otubo. Then hand, hand, aka, hand, aka. Then we have here ogwaka, ogwaka, the arm, ogwaka. Then elbow, elbow, elbow is ikeaka, ikeaka. Okay. Waist, waist, generally waist in Igbo is uku, uku, uku. Then this, I got to say it disclaimer, but guys, it's part of the body and we got to know it for beginners, for people who are learning it, who don't know it, who want to know it. But disclaimer, parents, take note in case you don't want your child to know it, but it's part of the body and they need to know it. You need to know it. So going down, I mean a penis, penis is called amu, amu. Then vagina in a woman is called ipu, ipu. Then some people call it otto, but that's, I think it's olonde, that's dialect, but the central Igbo is ipu. Then bottom, bottom is a ike, ike. Some people generalize penis, vagina, all those parts as ike because they don't feel like calling it all the time, or they're not comfortable mentioning them, just they generalize it as Ike. But take note, Ike, as in other words that applies Ike, is also written as Ike, Ike, Ike. Ike is just the tone marking, which is strength. Ike is strength, then Ike is bottom. Okay. Then tight, apata, tight, apata. Nail, ikpere, ikpere, nail, ikpere. Leg, leg generally is okwo, okwo, okwo. The same spelling almost with the waist, which is uku, but that is the u sound, u, and this one is u, 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 uku. Okay, okwo. Okay, then ankle is nkwo nkwo ukwo, nkwo nkwo ukwo. You can just small and you get it. Nkwo kwo ukwo. Okay, then the toe is mkpịsị ụkwụ, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Then the fingers is mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị aka. Then the wrist is nkwoji, nkwoji aka. Okay, nkwoji aka. I hope we touched all parts of the body. Guys, thank you for joining me today into this class. If you got any new body parts in Igbo language, let me know. Have you forgotten anyone? Did I remind you, Amy? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, keep this channel growing. Invite friends. Tell someone that will tell someone that will tell someone that something is happening here. Let's keep on getting the channel to the next level. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of this amazing channel. See you in my next upload. Bye-bye.